me start with something that makes every other piece of heavy equipment look small by comparison. The CAT 6015 Super Ripper is not just an excavator. It is a force of nature built into a machine, with 1200 horsepower pushing it and an operating weight of 143 tons. This thing does not negotiate with terrain, it dominates it. The massive cam arm can handle up to 65 cubic meters of material in a single movement, which means rock formations that would stop almost anything else get ripped apart like they were nothing. Think about the kind of mining operations or demolition projects that require this level of raw power, and you start to understand why the CAT 6015 exists. It is built for the jobs that no other machine can touch, doing in hours what conventional equipment might take days to accomplish. Now imagine you need to cut a precise trench through a combination of rock, clay, and compacted soil without losing control of the depth for even a single meter. That is exactly the problem the Tesmec 1475XL Evo chainsaw trencher was engineered to solve. It carries a high-performance chainsaw attachment driven by a fast-cutting chain that slices through material types that would destroy ordinary trenching equipment in hours. What makes it genuinely special is the precision. The cutting depth is controlled throughout the entire operation, which means infrastructure projects like pipeline, installation, and utility trenching can happen faster and with far greater accuracy than traditional methods allow. This machine changed what was considered possible in ground cutting technology. From trenching precision to raw loading power, the XC9350 electric drive loader brings a completely different kind of impressive to the table. Weighing approximately 150 tons and equipped with an 18 cubic meter bucket, this is one of the largest electrically driven wheel loaders ever built. It is designed specifically to support mining dump trucks in the 130 to 200 ton range, loading them efficiently during short distance operations. The electric drive system is where it earns its future-forward reputation because it recovers energy during operation, reducing fuel costs in ways that conventional hydraulic systems simply cannot match. This is not just a big machine. It is a smarter, more efficient version of what big machines used to be. Staying in the world of ground-moving giants, the CAT D11 Dozer is in a category all its own. This is a new generation bulldozer that redefines what modern earth-moving looks like. The engineering behind it is focused on three things simultaneously: delivering maximum power, using less fuel, and meeting strict emissions regulations without compromise. For mine operators and large-scale construction managers, that combination is genuinely difficult to find. But the D11 pulls it off. It pushes massive volumes of material across the toughest terrain while its operator sits in one of the most comfortable and technologically advanced cabs in the industry. The D11 does not just work harder, it works smarter, and the cost savings over a full operational shift are significant enough to change a project's budget projections entirely. Moving from surface work to what happens deep underground, the Casagrande Hydromill does something that looks almost impossible when you first see it. This specialist machine is built for membrane wall construction, which means it has to excavate deep, precise trenches in ground conditions that vary widely from project to project. It achieves this by using two drive gears that rotate directly at the bottom of the trench, milling through soil and rock simultaneously. As the material is cut, it gets mixed with bentonite slurry and removed continuously, keeping the trench stable while excavation progresses. For civil engineers working on underground foundations, flood barriers, and retaining structures, the Casagrande Hydromill is the machine that makes those projects achievable in ground conditions that previously would have made them nearly impossible. And now here is a machine that genuinely surprised me when I first came across it. The Green Climber LV800 Pro is a remote-controlled slope mower, which already sounds interesting, but the real story is in what it can handle. Inclines of up to 60 degrees, not gentle hills. We are talking near vertical slopes that no human operator should be anywhere near. The LV800 Pro handles them from a safe distance, controlled remotely while the operator stands on flat ground, watching the machine do work that would otherwise require dangerous manual labor or expensive specialized crews. For highway maintenance, power line clearing, and land management around waterways and embankments, this machine is not just useful, It is genuinely transformative for the safety of the people doing the job. Transitioning from surface maintenance to what happens deep in the earth, the SmartROC T40 is a surface drilling machine built primarily for use in construction material quarries. What sets it apart is the intelligence built into its control system. Instead of running at full power throughout the entire drilling cycle, the SmartROC T40 analyzes each phase of the operation and delivers exactly the amount of power needed at that moment, nothing more. This dynamic approach to fuel and power management means lower operating costs over long shifts, less wear on components, and more consistent hole quality from the first drill to the last. For quarry operators running multiple machines across large sites, that kind of intelligent optimization compounds into substantial savings over time. Shifting from drilling to compaction, the BOMAG BC773 EB5 is described as a revolution in soil compaction, and that is not an exaggeration. Compared to traditional dozers, it can boost compaction productivity by up to 10%, which sounds modest until you apply it to a large landfill or construction site where every percentage point matters. The cab interior features 5 displays and a multifunctional joystick that makes operating it far more intuitive than older compaction machines. The operator always knows exactly what the machine is doing, what the ground conditions are, and how to adjust performance on the fly. It handles both construction, earthworks, and mineral waste disposal with equal confidence, making it one of the most versatile compaction tools on the market. From land to water, the Conver C91 Dredger solves a problem that most large dredging equipment cannot, which is how to work effectively in small waterways, canals, and lakes where space is limited and access is difficult. Using the CW10 quick coupling system, the C91 can switch between different working tools, including mowing buckets and dredging pumps, in a short amount of time. Its double auger propulsion system folds up when not needed and adjusts in height during operation, giving it the flexibility to navigate shallow and restricted environments. For canal maintenance organizations and environmental restoration teams, the C91 offers a level of access that no conventional dredger can match. Saving one of the most visually remarkable machines for last, the Accucut Concrete Services Giant is the kind of equipment that stops traffic when people see it working. This machine is built for concrete cutting at a scale most people never imagined possible, equipped with a 91-inch round diamond blade and a patented skid steer saw design. It was famously deployed on the Pinellas Bayway Bridge, where it delivered the kind of precision and power that proved diamond saw technology could handle infrastructure-scale concrete cutting with surgical accuracy. When the goal is cutting through massive reinforced concrete without compromising structural integrity of surrounding sections, this is the machine that delivers every single time.